In this lesson, we're going to learn about the distance and midpoint formulas. Let's get ready. Grab your notes and pencil, and you're going to need your calculator. Make sure to write the formulas into your notes. This is the distance formula. I'm asking you what you notice. I notice x2 and x1 look similar to the slope formula. I notice there's a square root. I notice two things are being squared. I see inside the parentheses are being subtracted, but in the middle it's being added. Let's try this example. We're going to find the distance between the 2 points 1, 1 and 3, 7. I would suggest writing x1, y1 and x2, y2 to help you fill in the formula correctly. Distance equals the large square root of x2, which is 3 minus 1 squared, plus 7 minus 1 squared, equals 2 squared plus 6 squared, equals the square root of 4 plus 36. That is the square root of 40. You can pick up your calculator, do that on your calculator, and we get 6.32 for the distance between those 2 points. Go ahead and try this one. The answer to this one is the square root of 25, which means 5 units. Let's take a look at the midpoint formula. What do you notice here? Well, these parentheses means that it's a point. So we're finding a point. We're not finding a length. We're not finding the distance. This in the middle is a comma. So this is essentially x comma y. But what we do is we take the average of the x's. So you add them together and divide by 2 and take the average of the y's in this formula. Let's try it. Let's find the midpoint, that should say, between those 2 points. I'm just going to do a quick little sketch with the point 1, 1. And 3, 7. So that's where I'm trying to find the midpoint in there. When I get my answer, I can see if I'm right algebraically. So I'm going to do x1, y1, x2, y2, and I'm going to open my parentheses, take both of my x's, so 1 plus 3 divided by 2, take both of my y's, 1 plus 7 divided by 2. We're going to simplify that, so it's 4 over 2 and 8 over 2, and keep simplifying. This is going to be the point 2, 4. So if I check it, 2, 4, looks like that could be the midpoint of that segment. Go ahead and try to find the midpoint between these 2 points. Between -1 and 5. -1, Did 5. You get 1/2 for x and 7 for y? If we graphically think about it, -1 and 5 and 2 and 9. Then 1/2, 7 could be about right. Good job today.